guys, I'm Michael here with the Ratchet and Clank Going Commando walkthrough. Just one little thing before we get started. None of my walkthroughs are going to have the cutscenes of the game actually in it. But other than that, hope you enjoy my videos. Here's the game. Hey guys, we're on planet Endako. Alright, and alright guys, so there are two ways to go as usual. We can go that way, or we can go that way. Let's go. Let's see if there's any new weapons. There is two new weapons. The pulse rifle and the mini turret glove. The mini turret glove is awesome, so I'm going to save up to get that. It is an extremely good gun. Alright, but let's go this way first. Alright, those things are sweeper bots. They are slightly annoying. Okay, very annoying. But they're pretty easy to beat. And they also deactivate the force field for us to get past. So, alright, these are laser bots. They are a bit more annoying. Alright, they will come up and sweep you. They will spin around their little sweeper things and try to attack you. Just like that. It's really annoying. They're really annoying because they'll always hit you right before you hit them. Alright, so now we can go this way. Whoa. That's the Thugs for Less leader. And he ran away. He's over there. To hop across here. Laser bot. Right down here there is a platinum bolt. Alright, if you're going down a ladder and you keep on tapping R1, you'll just go down one at a time. That was stupid. Alright, so down here, we have to knock that over to bring out the sweeper box. Wow, there's a lot of sweeper box. Okay. and then the laser bot, so we can get past. And then we have to get on this elevator and see that guy. And then come over here and get on this elevator. Hey guys, hope you've enjoyed my Ratchet and Clank Go and Commando walkthrough. Thanks for watching. Please watch the next ones if you have trouble on those levels. Comment if you liked it. Subscribe. Thanks.